Alright, so this is Mr. Gilmore's Year 11 science class. We're just going to look a bit more at the dilution formula today, as we rushed over it a little bit the less we went through it due to that stock solution practical. So the dilution formula is our C1 V1 equals C2 V2.
Taking advantage of the sun.
This one I also tend to write out as CI VI equals CF VF. This is the exact same thing, we're just changing what we're calling these. Pretty much just saying that it's our initial values are equal to our final values. So what this means is that if we look at where this formula comes from, if we start with a beaker of, for example, potassium ions, say that we've got 5 mole of potassium in there, and we want to dilute that to reduce the concentration. So to do that, all we're going to do is add distilled water. Our beaker now has a larger volume, but all we've added is water. Therefore, our moles of potassium present in our beaker is still 5 moles. This implies that our initial moles is equal to our final moles. If N is equal to CV, that means that initial mole is equal to initial concentration times initial volume, and that's equal to final moles, which is equal to final concentration times by final volume. Then from that we can see that CI/VI equals CF/VF. That is where that formula comes from. So now let's just do a quick calculation with that. So just doing this question up here. So calculate the volume of 20 molar sulfuric acid. Now this little thing, if you see 20 molar, sorry, my pen's not working. If we see 20 molar, what that means is 20 moles per litre, so that's our concentration. So calculate the volume of a 20 mole per litre sulfuric acid solution that needs to be diluted with water to produce 5 litres of 2.0 molar sulfuric acid solution. So from that, if we are producing, that's obviously our final. So final volume is going to be equal to 5 litres, and final concentration is equal to 2.0 moles per litre. So that's producing 5 litres and a 2.0 molar concentration solution. We know that we are starting with an initial concentration of 20 moles per litre. That's from up here. Calculate the volume of a 20 mole solution sulfuric acid solution that needs to be diluted. So if something needs to be diluted, it's our initial concentration, and we're trying to work out the amount of volume required of that initial solution. So our volume is our unknown. So if we know that CI/VI equals CF/VF, you can choose when you want to rearrange it. If you want to rearrange it first, divide both sides by CI. That means that CF/VF divided by CI equals our VI. Therefore VI equals final concentration, which is 2.0, times by final volume, which is 5, divided by initial concentration, which was 20. So 2 times 5 is 10, divided by 20. Initial volume equals 0.5, so 10 over 20 is a half, so 0.5 litres. And if we just want to double check that that's correct, we can just sub that back into our equation and just set that they're equal. So C1V1 or CIVI is 20 times by 0.5, which equals 10, and that should equal CFVF, which was 5 times 2.0, and 5 times 2 is also 10. Therefore we know that our answer is correct.